Dual soldering iron tips can be used for components that need to be soldered on both sides of the PCB. The 210 specification handle is suitable for precision equipment repair. First, connect the machine to the handle. After connecting, place the handle on the soldering iron stand. Connect the power supply. Install the wire organizer post. Hang the handle wire on the organizer post. Turn on the machine power. Adjust the display screen angle according to the actual usage scenario. Long press to enter menu adjustment. Set the language to English. For save channels, temperature increase and decrease adjustment, cleaning sponge, cleaning wire ball, temperature calibration, replace the handle. If you have any questions, please contact the technician.